Alright everybody, welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can read your YouTube analytics and help you to make better videos that people watch longer, makes more money, more ad revenue, and show you step by step the most important analytics that you need to know and how to read them so you understand them easily, because a lot of people have trouble with this. I had a lot of trouble with it. So I'm just going to break it down for you guys. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video so you can understand everything that I'm talking about. And let's get right into the video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on them post notifications. It really helps us out. Also, check out the links in the description. I got some great products that you can check out. Some stuff I recommend, some equipment, studio equipment, all types of stuff. So go ahead, check it out. And let's get right into showing you how to read your YouTube analytics. Now, we're on my YouTube page. We're just going to click on YouTube Studio. And when it brings us in here, we're just going to go click on the Analytics tab. I'm going to show you where that's at if you don't know already. Alright, so now we're in YouTube Studio here. And this is your dashboard. It's got your last video that you posted right here, and then it's got some analytics on the right hand side here for you too, like your subscribers and some of the stuff, your revenue, views, and watch time, your top videos. But we're not going to concentrate on your dashboard right now. We're going to go down on the left hand side and come right here to analytics. You go ahead, click on that, and this is going to break down everything for your channel. Okay. Now, the top here, this is your main sections. You got overview, reach, engagement, audience, and revenue. And by default, you're going to be searching your last 28 days, which is right here. Now, you can click here. You can change this from anywhere from the whole lifetime of your channel to the last week is the smallest amount of data that you can get. But usually the last 28 days does good. That's what we're going to do today, but just remember that you can switch all that. Now, in the Analytics tab, also, on the right-hand side, you're going to get the real time. This is the views for the last 48 hours. It's going to show what videos are doing best, and you can also click See More. And then you scroll down, it's got the top videos for this period, which is the 28 days. Now, the main things is going to be your views, your watch time, obviously your revenue, and your subscribers is going to be on the overview section. So you can click on each one of these, and this graph right here will show whichever one you clicked. Okay, so we're clicking on revenue, watch time, all that. The main things that you want to pay attention to are going to be views, and you're going to come over to the engagement section. You're going to want to look at your average view duration, and if you're still under 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you want to pay attention to your watch hours. You can also click this and go back to lifetime so that you can see if it's been longer than 30 days. You notice I made this channel way back in, April of 2019, and I didn't really do much work on it all the way until December of 2019. And as you can see, when I started posting a lot more videos, you can see it just goes up and up and up and up. My average view duration, see how it was kind of all over the place, and then when I started posting more views, it was a little bit more steady. And this is something that I really need to work on for my own channel. 1 minute and 51 seconds is not that good of average view duration. So I'm definitely trying to work on that. If you have a channel that posts, like 5-minute videos or 3-minute videos a lot, this is going to be a pretty good average view duration. But if you come up here and click on videos, you can look at specific videos analytics and say we want to look at this specific video right here. You see the analytics tab, you click it. And once you click it, you can click on engagement. And this is the average view duration just for this specific video. Now if you see the red line is this video, you can see this one's performing a lot better than the usual videos, because the gray is where your average for your whole channel is. So this one's performing a lot better for the actually I was in the watch time right here. Let's click on average view duration. So this right here, it's still performing better, but the gray one is your whole channel average, and this red one is going to be just for that specific video. So you can see it's a lot higher than the average. So that's good. And you can go to any of the analytics for each specific video. You can go to revenue. Now, if it's grayed out like this or with the lines like this, that means the data is still processing. So for the 13th and the 14th, the data is still processing. But as you can see, it had 240 monetized playbacks on the 12th. So it says it right there. You can also come up to any of these little clock signs and it gives you a little information. Now your CPM is going to be, you can read it right here, effective cost per milli, or the estimated average gross revenue per 1,000 playbacks on which an ad was shown. So that's these monetized playbacks. So for about every 1,000 monetized playbacks, I'm going to get about $12. And now this is going to be different for all types of different channels, okay? So I'm not sure exactly, but like, say you got a car channel or a makeup channel or a video game channel, they're all going to be different CPMs because of the topic that, or the niche that your channel has. So yours can be a lot more than this, or it can be a lot less than this. Now let's just go back to the analytics tab, and I'm going to just give you a rundown on every single option that they got, every single data, or all the different data points that you can look at. So we're going to start with overview. I already went through this, but you got your views, watch time, subscribers, and estimated revenue. Then you come over here to reach. The reach is going to have your impressions, your click-through rate. It's going to have views and unique viewers. So as you can remember, you know, someone can watch a couple of your videos. So this is difference here. So I have 267,000 views, but I only have 197,000 unique viewers. So that means about 70,000 people watched more than one video. Or, you know, it could be a little different, but about that. So just remember that. And click-through rate is another big thing that you guys got to pay attention to. As you can see, mine's been hovering around 13 to 15. It dropped down to 10, coming back up. You know, now I'm back at 15. Really, 10 to 15 is the sweet spot for me. You want to shoot for at least 10% on this, because if you scroll down a little bit, you can see impressions, how they lead to watch time, and you can read these little things that they have for you to read. But as you can see, I had 1.5 million impressions, so that means how many times someone's seen my thumbnail, and 11.5% of people clicked on it. That's a 13% click-through rate. And then I had 190,000 views from 1.5 million impressions. Now the average view duration is 1 minute 47 seconds, and you can see the watch time is 5.7 thousand hours. Also, you can come over here to your traffic source types. You know, most of mine's YouTube search. I got some of these other ones, but mostly YouTube search. You can just keep scrolling down and see all these other stuff. This is the external sources. So this is things that aren't YouTube. So Google search is my main one. I got some Bing, Facebook, Google right there. It's just got a lot of information you can come and check out. Now remember, that's just for this. So you can click on engagement and scroll down, and it's going to have different analytics underneath here that you can go through. So let's just say we're click on our average view duration, come down here. Now all my watch time, pretty much 99.9% is coming from one playlist, guys. So as you can see, you can look at this and see what's working for your channel, what's not working for your channel. You can make different videos or make more of the videos that are working for you, make less of the ones that aren't. So that's a big thing. Next, let's come over to audience. Now right here, unique viewers, average views per viewer, and subscribers. So like I said, you just click on each one and it's going to show you the analytics for each one of these. Then we can come back to revenue. Now revenue is directly related to your monetized playbacks. So look at how this chart looks here. Okay, if I click on monetized playbacks, it's pretty much the same exact thing. So basically, the more monetized playbacks you get, the more revenue you get. So just remember that. What you're trying to do, the more people that sit through an ad, the more money you make, basically. And you can come down here. You see, I just monetized my channel at the end of March. And you can also see by what video is making you the most money. Scroll down here. You got estimated ad revenue, ad types. So basically, most of mine are the skippable videos. And then after that, the display ads. So comment down below, guys, if this is helping you out. If it is, smash that like button. Turn on them post notifications. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to try to help out as many people as I can. So be looking out for tons more videos all about stuff like this. I'm going to have all types of tech-related content, making money online content. Also, if you have a Fire Stick or Android device, I make a lot of content on that. So be sure to check out the channel. And I just want to make this little quick video so I can break it down for you with the basics. I'm going to make a lot more videos on this subject. So like I said, be sure to check back. We're going to go a little more in depth on some of this stuff. And if you're struggling on YouTube and you're wondering why you're not getting views, trust me, everyone feels like that starting out. Let me go back and show you. I'm going to go back to my lifetime analytics here. Click on lifetime. Like, look at this. I mean, I made some videos on this channel, right? I made all these starting out. And I'm like, I'm not getting views. I'm getting 4 views, 3 views, 8 views. So I just, stopped making videos on this channel. I tried to make another channel. Then I thought about it and I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to start making videos a lot more than I was and see what happens. And once you start making more and more and seeing what you're doing wrong and then start learning how to make them faster, this starts happening. You can see the views just going skyrocketing. But you can see right here, I'm making a lot more videos. Okay? Making all these videos back to back. That's why it shoots up like this, guys. So you just gotta stick with it. Keep making videos. Keep changing your videos so you can read your analytics, see what you're not doing right, see what you are doing right, see what the people like, what they don't like, and make more of what they like and less of what they don't like, guys. So like I said, subscribe to the channel, turn on them post notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.